The Blizzard Brahma is an all-mountain ski for East Coasters, or really all mountain skiers anywhere who are looking for a ski that has very strong carving abilities, yet a loose, surfy, free-ride feel. It gets those things from a couple different places. Construction, which is consisting of wood core and a couple layers of titanium. And then the shape of the ski, which has rocker in the tip, rocker in the tail, an 88mm wide waist, and a dose of camber underfoot. And that camber underfoot gives you grip and integrity and power during the turn. It was a really fun all-mountain ski, and our testers really enjoyed it.